In this video, we're going over how to take a screenshot on the Moto G Pure. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. In the video today, I'm going to walk you through how to take a screenshot on your Moto G Pure. There's a few different ways to do this, and I'm going to demonstrate each one for you. So the first method is the traditional method, which is holding down on the volume down button here and the power button. So I want to take a screenshot of the Google Play Store. So this screen right here. So I'm going to hold the volume down and power for 1 second. Let's try it. There you go. And you can see it takes a picture right here. And there's a couple of options you can press to edit the picture after you take it. So that's the first way. The second method, and this is an exclusive method to Motorola phones, is taking 3 fingers and tapping the screen at the same time. This also will trigger a screenshot. See that? That's how we know it took a picture. And the third method is probably the easiest method, which is simply swiping up from the top of the phone to the recent apps section and tapping the screenshot button right here, which is the shortcut. That'll also take a screenshot for you. Now, how do we go back and look at our screenshot after we've taken it? So you'll need to go to your Google Photos app, which is right here in your Google folder. Photos. And at the bottom, you're going to come down to where it says Library. Tap on Library. And you'll now have a folder named Screenshots. And that's where you'll find all the screenshots that we just took on the phone right here. And that's it. Super easy. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Also, hit that link below in the description to get your free share of stock. That's our gift for you. All you need to do is sign up for Webull. That link below will take you right to the site where you do a quick sign up and you get a free share of stock. So check that out before you leave. Thanks for watching. Take care. And as always, have a good one.